Hey, I'm Marc Ramos, and today we're going over how to apply for a rewards credit card. Let's do it. If you've never had a credit card, switching over from cash or from debit to credit can be a little bit overwhelming, especially since there are so many options available to consumers. Today, I'll walk you through the steps you need to take before applying for your first rewards credit card to make sure the experience goes smoothly. The first thing you need to do is figure out your credit score. Your credit score is one of the largest factors used to determine whether or not to approve your credit card application. Generally speaking, travel rewards credit cards require higher scores than other types of credit cards. Because you're able to earn rewards and reap benefits from the card, issuers want to make sure that you're a low-risk borrower. No idea what your credit score is? Well, there are plenty of ways to check it for free. Every American is entitled to a free credit report check each year from the 3 major credit reporting agencies. If you want a step-by-step rundown on how to check your score at each of the major credit reporting bureaus, I've linked an article in the cards for you. The most common credit score is from FICO, which consists of a number between 300 and 850. Generally speaking, a good credit score falls in the 670 to 739 range. Very good is considered 740 to 799, and anything above that is exceptional. In order to be approved for the best rewards credit cards, you'll want to have a credit score of at least 670. Now, that's not to say that you can't be approved if you have a score below that, but it does lower the odds of an approval. And even a very high credit score doesn't guarantee that you'll be approved. All issuers look at your entire credit history and profile before making a final decision. Once you know your credit score, you can start looking at credit cards that you would likely be approved for. For example, if you have little to no credit, you want to look at good starter cards which may not require an extensive credit history for approval. If you have an excellent credit score, then the credit card world becomes your oyster. You can choose from just about any of the best credit cards to apply for. If you want an overview of some great travel rewards credit cards, I've linked another episode of PowerPointers in the cards above. Let's go over a few things that you should look for when deciding on which card to apply for. The best rewards credit cards almost always come with large welcome bonuses that allow cardholders to earn a large sum of points, miles, or cash back after hitting a certain spending threshold in the first few months of opening the account. Some of the best welcome offers available right now are worth over $1,000, so make sure you're choosing a card with a compelling welcome offer that's attainable for your monthly budget. There are many types of credit cards for you to choose from based on the type of rewards or benefits that you're looking for. Someone who's interested in saving money on expenses or saving up for a large purchase might consider a cashback credit card. Or if you aspire to travel often, a travel credit card might be a good fit. If you're a frequent traveler who's loyal to a specific airline or hotel, you should look into a card that's affiliated with that specific travel provider. It's all about choosing a card that'll help you meet your goals. Now, the trade-off for higher rewards and travel benefits is often an annual fee. When considering whether to apply for a card with an annual fee, make sure that you'll be able to use the card benefits enough to offset that cost. Some cards offer monthly credits that can help offset that annual fee. For example, the Amex Platinum card offers a $20 monthly streaming credit for select services, a $25 monthly Equinox fitness credit, and a $200 annual credit towards its hotel programs. These kinds of credits or benefits can take the sting out of hefty annual fees. But if you want to start conservatively, there are also solid credit cards without annual fees. Credit cards often come with other benefits aside from just category bonuses. These can differ drastically from card to card, but can include things like lounge access, annual credits for traveler dining, travel insurance protections, and more. You'll want to keep an eye out for credit card benefits that you can benefit from. Once you've chosen a card to apply for, check the best welcome offer and benefits that suit your lifestyle. The hard part's over. Now all that's left is applying for your card and then maximizing it. You can apply for a credit card online, by mail, or phone. But of course, the easiest option is to do it online. A credit card issuer will ask you for some personal information, including your name, contact info, annual income, and other financial information. You'll be asked to read the terms and conditions on associated benefits, rates, and fees for the card. I know, reading terms and conditions is probably the most boring thing one can ever do in this world, but in this case, it's super important to know what you're signing up for. I recommend reading through the offer details and fine print regarding the rates, fees, and conditions for utilizing card benefits. That way you won't be surprised down the road. Once you apply, many issuers will give you a decision in just a few seconds, but you could end up having to wait for up to 2 weeks for an answer. Once you have your credit card, well, that's where the fun begins. Make sure you're using your card to its full advantage. This means using it for appropriate purchases, utilizing benefits, and ultimately, redeeming your rewards. And remember to always pay your credit card statement on time and in full every single month. Otherwise, the interest charges will cancel out the value of any points or miles you earn. Bottom line, credit cards are an excellent tool to help you meet your financial goals. They can help you consolidate debt, save money, and experience the magic of traveling the world by earning and redeeming rewards. Applying for a credit card can seem overwhelming and a bit scary, but if you know what to look out for, the process is actually pretty straightforward. And at the end of the day, having the right credit card in your wallet is totally worth the research and application process. All right, that's it for me today, but if you like this video, throw it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for more episodes of PowerPointers, and I'll see you later.